everyone, today we'll be unboxing the Amazon Basics USB-A cable with lightning connector. But before we begin, let's have a look at the box first. So as you can see, there's the branding of Amazon Basics over here at the top. You can see the model name written in many different languages right over here. And you can see it's a 3 feet long cable, that means 0.9 meters. And you can see it's made for iPhone, iPad and Ipod, and you can see the image of the product over here as well. So without further ado, let's start off with the unboxing. So the first thing that we see over here is a thank you and a feedback card from Amazon Basics. And finally, we have our main unit right over here. As you can see, it's of a pretty elegant looking grey color. You can see a bit of texture over here and here as well. There you go. So without further ado, let me just connect both the ends and see if the cable is working fine or not. So there is an iOS device. So as you can see, the phone is charging. That means the cable is working perfectly fine. So that's all, folks. This is all about Amazon Basics USB-A cable with lightning connector. Thank you so much for watching the video.